It's old, it's cold, it's floppy. It's yesterday's pizza. I'm gonna hit you with 4 different techniques for reheating pizza, rating from worst to best. Let's get going. Technique number 1, throw it in the microwave. You're gonna wanna go 60% power for about 45 seconds. Not the best way to do it. End result is it's super floppy and kind of just bleh. But it's wicked hot and ready to eat wicked fast. I'm gonna give this technique 2 out of 10. Technique number 2, eat it cold. I know, you're thinking that's not really a technique, but it's really pretty good. It's a lot better than microwave pizza, and it's ready even faster. You just eat it. I'm giving this 5 out of 10. Technique number 3, in your home oven. Get a baking sheet, steel, or stone in the oven and then set the temperature to 415. Let it preheat and then throw your pizza in there for about 1.5 minutes. For the crispy bottom and melted cheese, I give the oven technique 8 out of 10. Okay, technique number 4, my personal favorite and I think the best way to reheat pizza. On your stovetop, get a cast iron skillet or saute pan ripping hot. Then go ahead and throw your pizza slice on there and let it cook for about 30 seconds. Then put 4 or 5 good drops of water into the pan, just make sure they don't hit the pizza, and then cover the pan. I know it's counterintuitive, but give it a shot. I think you're gonna find this technique truly is the best way to reheat pizza. I also know that air frying is a technique that people really like nowadays. I don't own an air fryer, I probably never will, but that could be a good way to go too. If you have one, why not give that a shot? Otherwise, stovetop, it's the way to go. All right, patio pizza people, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video and I hope you smash that subscribe button. Just bam, right there onto it, okay? Sorry, that was too much. Goodbye for now, kisses.